Having a user-friendly digital software that allows your business to create and manage engaging content online is what every business owner wants. In today's video, we will be giving you an overview of Novisign, its history, the services of Novisign, key financials, and some pros and cons of the company. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Novisign Overview. Businesses can create, manage, and display multimedia content on digital displays with the help of Novisign, a software platform for digital signage. Multimedia content, such as videos, images, and interactive elements, can be created and scheduled for real-time display on digital signs using the platform. A drag-and-drop editor, templates, and the capacity to import and export media files are among the tools and features that Novisign provides for the creation and management of digital signage content. Additionally, users have the ability to create and schedule content to be displayed on a predetermined schedule, or in response to particular occurrences, such as the time of day or the weather. Novisign provides tools for managing and monitoring the displays themselves, in addition to content creation and management. Displays can be controlled from a distance, content performance analytics can be viewed, and alerts about hardware or software issues can be sent to users. Novisign can be used in restaurants, schools, hospitals, office buildings, retail stores, and other places. It is made to be easy to use and easy to understand, making it simple for businesses to create and display digital signage content of professional quality, without requiring technical expertise. Novisign is well known for its cutting-edge software solutions and outstanding customer support, which it provides to customers in more than 50 nations. The company is committed to assisting businesses of all sizes to effectively communicate and engage with their audiences through digital signage, and is constantly looking for new ways to improve its products and satisfy the requirements of its customers. Let's talk about Novisign key facts. 1. Founding year. It was founded in April 1, 2011. 2. Headquarters. Tel Aviv, Israel. 3. Company type. Private. 4. Industry type. Digital signage. 5. Last funding type. Angel. 6. Workforce strength. As of 2022, the company has 11 to 50 employees. Let's quickly dive into Novisign history. Novisign was established in 2011 by a group of skilled digital signage and software developers. Digital signage was still a relatively new concept at the time, and the software options that were available were frequently complicated and pricey. Novisign's founders saw a chance to develop a straightforward software platform that would make it simple for small businesses to display promotional content on screens in their offices or storefronts. The company was founded with the intention of offering businesses a cost-effective and user-friendly method for managing their digital signage content. Novisign has continued to grow and expand its offerings ever since it was established. It began to include more advanced features like real-time data integration, content scheduling, and analytics in its offerings. These features allowed businesses to customize their signage content and better target their messaging to specific audiences. Users were able to access and manage their digital signage content from any location with an internet connection, when the company released its first cloud-based software platform in 2013. Businesses no longer required specialized servers or hardware to update and manage their signage thanks to this innovation. Novisign released its first mobile app in 2015, enabling smartphone users to remotely control and update digital signage content. Customers were pleased with this innovation because it gave them even more control and flexibility over their digital signage displays. Novisign introduced its first interactive digital signage software platform in 2017, allowing users to use touchscreens and other interactive devices to create interactive experiences for their customers. Because it allowed retailers to create engaging and interactive shopping experiences for their customers, this platform quickly gained popularity. With a focus on providing businesses with the tools and resources they need to effectively manage their digital signage content and create engaging and interactive experiences for their customers. Novisign continues to innovate and expand its offerings today. The organization has likewise expanded its emphasis on serving bigger enterprises, like schools, clinics, and corporate stores. The business has built a worldwide customer base, and established itself as a market leader in digital signage. Before we continue, kindly help us to put this video in front of many that may need it by smashing the like button and sharing this video with people that it will interest in your network. Thank you for staying tuned. Moving on to Novisign services. Some of the services offered by Novisign include 1. Software for digital signages. Businesses can easily schedule, manage, and create digital signage content with its cloud-based digital signage software platform. This includes the ability to create individual templates, incorporate multimedia elements like videos and images, and schedule content for particular times and locations. 2. Digital signage hardware. Displays, players, and mounting options are just a few of the digital signage hardware options offered by Novisign. These hardware solutions can be customized to meet the specific requirements of each business, and are made to be simple to set up and maintain. 3. Interactive digital signage. Businesses can interact with their employees and customers in novel and exciting ways thanks to the interactive digital signage solutions offered by Novisign. Touch-screen displays, interactive kiosks, and other interactive elements that can be used to get feedback from customers, provide information, or even make transactions easier are all included in this category. 4. Content management and distribution. Businesses can easily manage their digital signage content, and distribute it to their displays in real time using Novisign's content management and distribution services. This includes the capability of scheduling content to play at specific times and locations, and making changes and updates to content from a distance. 5. Professional services. Novisign also offers a range of professional services to help businesses get the most out of their digital signage solutions. This includes training and support services, as well as custom design and development services to help businesses create unique and engaging content for their displays. Overall, Novisign's services are made to help businesses use interactive displays and other digital signage solutions to improve their marketing and communication efforts. Novisign has the expertise and tools you need to succeed, whether you want to manage and distribute your digital signage content, engage with customers and employees, or create custom content. Key financials. 1. The company announced that it hit $1.5 million revenue in 2021, and also $3 million revenue in 2022. 2. The company closed its last funding round on September 1, 2014 from an angel round. Finally, there are the pros and cons of Novisign. Pros. 1. The user-friendly interface of Novisign makes it simple for users to navigate and create digital signage content. 2. Novisign provides a wide range of templates that make it simple and quick for users to produce content with a professional appearance. 3. Novisign allows users to customize their digital signage content to match their brand identity and aesthetic. 4. Users can easily display social media feeds and track viewer engagement thanks to Novisign's integration with other platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Google Analytics. 5. Because Novisign is cloud-based, users can manage their digital signage and access their content from any location with an internet connection. Cons. 1. Novisign costs more than some small businesses can afford. 2. Even though Novisign provides a vast selection of templates, it may not provide as many design options as all businesses need. 3. Although Novisign permits some customization, it may not provide as much flexibility as all businesses would need. 4. Novisign only integrates with a small number of other platforms, which may not satisfy all users' requirements. 5. As a cloud-based platform, Novisign relies on an internet connection to function, which may not be reliable in all locations. In conclusion, Novisign provides an easy-to-use platform that allows businesses to effectively create, manage, and display promotional content on screens in their offices. Its software is designed to be flexible and affordable, and it offers a range of features. That's all we got for you today. What do you think about the services Novisign renders? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you turn on your notifications so you will be notified when next we post a video.